So, hello guys. Today, on the same day, we are continuing the series of magnetic effects of electric current. Our we have yet did till the bar magnet experiment, and we are now gonna continue with the plotting compass. Okay, so let's begin. ओके, तो हम फटाफट से कंपास को समझ लेते हैं. कंपास एक सर्कुलर सा ऑब्जेक्ट मान सकते हो आप. ठीक है, एक सर्कुलर सा ऑब्जेक्ट. अब सर्कल तो बन नहीं रहा ढंग से, सॉरी. ओके, अब थोड़ा सा ठीक है. इसको हम रेड ले लेते हैं. इसका जो ये निडल होती है ना, ये दिस निडल इज मेड अप ऑफ अ मैग्नेट. ओके, वी कैन से इट magnet, and let this be the north side and this is south. This is what color we use in the compasses usually. Okay, yes. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, I think now if we see that the plotting compass moves with the magnetism around it. Okay, this you can see this. Okay, this needle moves along with the magnetism produced around it. So if here is the south pole, therefore this needle will go here, and if here is the south pole, this needle will go here, accordingly to the earth's magnetic sphere. Okay, let me show you. This is how it looks. Let it be earth, and here it's the south pole. We usually take it as north pole geographically, but magnetically it is south pole, and this one is the north pole. Okay, okay. So when we use this compass, this needle moves this side. Okay, because the south pole is above, because north and south attracts and south and north attracts. I think you would have understood this. Okay, so let's continue to the next page. Okay, now okay, we will see how it works with a bar magnet. Here is our bar magnet, which we also included in our last topic. Okay, this is the bar magnet, and we have this plotting compasses. Okay, here, 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 here. So likewise, if we draw arrows, oh sorry, if we draw arrows here, like this, 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 then these arrows will move from north to south, and same here it will repeat. Okay, so we can understand that how a bar magnet shows its magnetism. So this is how the bar magnet shows its magnetism. So let us continue with our main topics which we need to cover in this chapter. Okay, I have already told you the magnetic field of earth which will come along in this. Okay, now I will tell you the magnetic effect of electric current, especially, and demonstrate it with an example. Okay, let me show you. Just we will draw the wires with the black pen. Okay, let it be a electric circuit. Okay, okay, let it be a switch. I cannot draw it properly, and these may be the terminals. Okay, now if the switch is off, now when the switch is off, our plotting compass is in a normal manner, it shows every time. Okay, but if the switch is on, but if the switch is on the plotting compass will deflect its needle, because the electric current produces a magnetic effect, and this magnetic effect deflects the compass needle. Okay, now to the next topic. The next topic I will tell in the part 3 of this video. This was part 2. Please subscribe. Please, I request you, please subscribe to my channel, because you guys just comment and or don't even like. Please subscribe to my channel, because I need some subscribers, because I have two less of them. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.